How to find display settings on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find display settings on Deezer mobile. First, and open Deezer, and now click this settings icon in top corner, and then click here. And as you see here, you can find display settings on Deezer mobile, and you can manage here anything you want. You can make it light mode or dark mode, and that's it. Then just go back, it will be saved, and as you see, it's easy. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.